In this video, I'm going to show you a massive airdrop by Jupiterverse. And this is amazing, and this is going to make you a lot of money, and this is how we can qualify for it. So let's take a quick look at it.
The time has finally come. Jupiterary 2025 is here. In case you're not familiar, Jupiter is the best trading platform in crypto. Millions of people all around the world love Jupiter because it lets them trade every token and get the best possible price every single time with smart routing. It's fast, it's safe, and it's non-custodial, which means you are always in control of your assets. And last but not least, it's the most integrated product in DeFi. So if you've ever used Phantom or Solflare or BonkBot, you're a Jupiter user too. All of this and swaps are entirely free. Which brings us to Jupiterary. Jupiterary is Jupiter's attempt to grow the pie. Our goal is to bring even more people into the strongest community in crypto, which we call the Jupiterverse. We have the largest and most active DAO in crypto, a vibrant community of cadets all around the world, and honestly, the best vibes you're going to find anywhere. Many people's lives have changed entirely once they joined the Jupiterverse, and we hope yours will as well. This year, the Jupe DAO approved 700 million tokens to be distributed to our loyal users and stakers. But don't think of this just as an airdrop. Think of it like an invitation. We want you to become part of the Jupiterverse, contribute your talents, and help shape the future of Jupiter itself. Fun fact, this Jupiterary is the largest qualified user airdrop ever, with nearly 2 million wallets being eligible. We can't wait to make history with you and for you to join the Jupiterverse with us. J for J. First, you need to create a Jupiterary profile with an email. Just make sure that you have access to that email in the future because your Jupiterverse profile will be home base for future things that Jupiter does as well. Just connect your wallet by clicking on the button and you'll be able to see the allocation for that wallet. If some of your wallets have been labeled mistakenly as a Sybil or as a bot, don't worry. After January 27th, you'll have a chance to appeal directly from within the dashboard of your Jupiterverse profile. Once all your wallets are connected, you can start to claim your tokens. Remember, you'll have to claim your tokens on a wallet by wallet basis. When you do, we highly recommend that you claim and stake your tokens directly. This will help you participate in governance and increase your allocation over time as you receive active staking rewards for voting. But it's really important that you remember one thing. It's possible that Solana is congested when you try to claim your tokens. If it is, your claim transactions might fail. Don't worry, your allocation will be safe, but you'll still have to pay the gas fees for any failed transactions, which can get expensive. But don't worry, there's no rush. You have 3 months to claim your tokens. So we encourage you to wait until things die down a little bit. That way you don't avoid paying any extra gas fees whatsoever. That's it. Now you have your tokens and you can start participating in the Jupiterverse. If you have any other questions, head over to our Discord, discord.gg/jupe, and our community of cadets will be there to help answer any questions you might have. See you very soon.